Hello everybody. Today I'm going to talk about Oracle database 12c and SQL part 8 presented by chaîne encyclopedia topic. The system privileges. What means? The SYSDBA and SYSOPER system privileges allow access to a database instance. Control of these privileges is therefore completely outside of the database itself. This control enables an administrator who is granted one of these privileges to connect the database instance to start the database. You can also think of the SYSDBA and SYSOPER privileges as types of connection that enable you to perform certain database operations for which privileges cannot be granted in any other way. For example, if you have the SYSDBA privileges, then you can connect to the database using as SYSDBA. The system privileges. The system user is automatically granted the SYSDBA privilege. Upon installations, when you log in as user sys, you must connect to the database as SYSDBA or SYSOPER. Connecting as a SYSDBA user invokes what? Invokes the SYSDBA privilege. Connecting as SYSOPER invokes the SYSOPER privilege. Express allow you to log in as user sys and connect as SYSDBA or SYSOPER. Express allow you to log in as a user sys and connect as SYSDBA or SYSOPER. When you connect with the SYSDBA or SYSOPER privilege, you connect with a default schema, not with the schema that is generally associated with your user name. For SYSDBA, this schema is sys. For SYSOPER, the schema is public. Tool for administering the database. The tools for administering the database. The following are some products, tools, and utilities you can use to achieve your goals as a database administrator. Oracle Universal Installer. Oracle Universal Installer OUI is a utility that installs your Oracle software and option. Oracle Universal Installer OUI is a utility that installs your Oracle software and option. It can automatically start Oracle Database Configuration Assistant to install a database Oracle Database Configuration Assistant. What means? Oracle Database Configuration Assistant, DBCA, is utility that creates a database from templates that are supplied by Oracle, or you can create your own. It enables you to copy a pre-configured site database, thus saving the time and effort of generating and customizing a new database. Database Upgrade Assistant. What means? The Database Upgrade Assistant, DBUA, is a tool that guides you through upgrade of your existing database to a new Oracle database release. Tool for administering the database. Net Configuration Assistant. Net Configuration Assistant is utility that enables what? Enables you to configure listener and naming methods, which are critical components of the Oracle database network. I repeat, Net Configuration Assistant is a utility that enables you to configure listener and naming methods, which are critical components of the Oracle database network. Oracle Enterprise Manager Database Express. After you have installed the Oracle database software, create or upgrade a database and configure the network. You can use Express to manage your database. Tools for administering the database. Another tools for administering the database. The SQL Developer. SQL Developer, what means SQL Developer? The SQL Developer provides another GUI for accessing your Oracle database. SQL Developer supports development in both the SQL and the LSQL languages. It is available in the default installation of Oracle database. It is available in the default installation of Oracle database with SQL Developer. You can browse database objects, run SQL statements and SQL scripts, and edit and debug the LSQL statement. You can also run any number of provides reports and also create and save your own. Now, I think this SQL Developer provide what? GUI for accessing Oracle database and support the development to SQL and PLSQL. This is the summary, and it is available for default installation. And you can also run any number of provide report and also create and save your own. So, I finish now. Please don't forget to make like and subscribe and activate a notification to receive the following. Thank you very much, and thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.